Good morning, YouTube. This is Financial Freedom with Velvet, and I'm back with another PrizeRebel video. I know some of you have been commenting, you know, um, on the levels, and also on the tap research. Okay, number one, when it comes to the levels, if you're a bronze member and you got to silver, it tells you how many points you have to earn to get to the next level. Okay, I'm at platinum. I'm trying to get to diamond. Okay. And I want to get to $10 because that's 1,000 points, and that'll make me get there a lot faster, and then I'll be able to get to my cash out a lot faster. So here we are on the front page of the site. There are your surveys. Here are other ways you can earn. Okay. So I said I wasn't going to do surveys anymore, but I've had a change of heart now. I actually am going to be doing your surveys, daily goals, sample-issues, and peanut labs. Just because I've gotten a couple of points off of doing these surveys. Excuse me. And I hope that all of you will try these surveys out to see if they work for you. Because they did credit me. That's why I'm at $2.73. 273 points, which is equivalent to $2.73. Okay. Now the Peanuts Lab do have qualification points. They give you 1 point each. But however many there are adds up. So don't forget that Peanut Labs does have disqualification points. I'm sorry. And the reason Tap Research doesn't is because they're one of the biggest survey sites that has disqualification points. So they take them away. Okay, and that sucks because Tap Research is one of my favorite. Okay, but there are other sites that it's on that you can use it on and it doesn't go away. Okay. Um, The scent ones work too. Try those. You have videos you can watch, and you can invite people, and you can do tasks. Now, what I do on here specifically is I come down here and I do the coupons. Okay? You have to clip 25 coupons. You don't print them. You just clip on them, and then you save them, and then they credit you 25 points, and it gives you 30 credits in 30 minutes. So that's the first thing I do. If it's not on there, you can always try to go to AdGate. It should be one on there. But my routine has changed for PrizeRebel. Every day I'm going to come on here and do your surveys, daily gold, sample-licious peanut labs, and scent surveys, and print the coupons, and that's it. I was doing the slideshows, but they're taking too long, so I decided not to do that anymore. I'll show you what you get when you cash out. These are just some of the gift cards you guys can earn. Okay. Alright, so the custom one is when you want to enter a certain amount. You have to have over $7, like $7 or more, to cash out. Like, say you want to cash out $8. You have to have $6 or more to cash out $8. Okay? Like, it has to be over $5. If you wanted to cash out 10, you could if you have that amount. $5 is 500 points. $10 is 1,000. $15 is 1,500. $20 is 2,000. $50 is 5,000. $100 is 100,000. It's 10,000. Okay. The highest I've gone is $10. Okay, 1,000 points, and I got lucky with that because I had a dollar that paid for something that got me to 1,000 points. So, yeah. But that's all I have to say on PrizeRebel. Top research is gone only because it had a lot of it was one of the highest paying ones, and I guess even they can tap out. So just try to find other sites. I have other sites, you guys. You know, my videos. If you subscribe to my channel, you'll see my other videos on the other Get Paid To sites. All right, this is Financial Freedom with Velvet. See you guys in future videos.